Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own mermaid tail. I've already made a pattern video, so I will link that down below, but the materials you're going to need are fabric, some chalk, your pattern that you've previously made, a sewing machine, and some sewing things that come with that. So the first thing that you want to do is take your pattern that you created and you're going to lay it on your fabric that you get. I got mine from Joanne's. But you're going to lay your fabric inside out so that the nice part, like the shiny part or whatever the pattern is on the inside. And then you're just going to mark around your pattern. I usually leave around an inch around, and then you're just going to put your needles around your pattern to make sure they're all secure. And then you're just going to cut out that pattern that you have created with the chalk. And then here is what it should look like after you have cut it out, is just your tail. Then you're going to take your sewing machine and you're going to thread your matching thread. I used purple and red for our purple and red tails. And then you're just going to sew on that line that you have created. It's very simple and easy. Making a mermaid tail is so easy. It shouldn't be this difficult, but I will write like full-on instructions and I'll leave them in the description for you just in case you want to get a more detailed one. And then once you've sewn your little lines together, you can go back and you can cut off the extra fabric that was left from the line. As you can see, that's a lot of fabric you don't want to leave inside your tail. And then you were just going to try it on, make sure everything fits right. As you can see, hers was too tall, so we kind of like cut it down a little bit and fixed the bottom of her tail. We added some Velcro, but I'll show you that later. But with mine has an extra fluke, so I had to actually create another like pattern and piece to that. I didn't really want to show that because, you know, it's my tail and it's like my pattern that I created, but I just took another little piece of fabric that's actually ombre, so it really makes the tail pop. But I just, you know, copied and did the exact same thing all over again, the sewing and the pinning and the tracing and cutting it out. And I just sewed it over again, so I just did the exact same thing. So this is my tail after I sewn it, the regular one, and then this is my tail after I added the extra fluke piece onto it. And then I just added some more details, so I added like a little ribbon, and I actually sewed around the monofin where it was, so it didn't like move around a lot, so it kept it secure. And yeah, so this is basically what my tail looks like, and it's so awesome. I'm excited. So my sister's tail had a little issue at the bottom with her monofin, so we just added Velcro so that it's easier to take in and out of her tail. So we just added Velcro at the bottom of her mermaid tail so that it would be easier to remove her monofin, because mine can go through the entire tail. Hers can't really bend that well, so we have to take it out of the bottom. So just putting Velcro on it made it easier to slip on and off, but that's just an extra thing you don't really have to do. It just depends on what you want on your tail. But here's a video of us swimming in our tails, and we are super excited to start shooting our show, and I hope you guys stick around so you can watch it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another unboxing video / trying it out. So this is a foot exfoliator that I got from Amazon, and basically what it is you just put it on your foot and then it just kind of removes all your dead skin off your foot.